All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Mining the coin, staking the coin, using credit cards from BlockFi credit cards, get rewards back in Bitcoin, Drip Network, Splash, all kinds of passive income things that we talk about. Well, today we're talking about Cardano. Cardano is up gigantic right this second. Bing, bing, bing. I mean, like, you're going to be super happy when you hear how much it's up in the last 7 days. We're going to go to their website, go to their Twitter account. Cardano is jumping off the freaking charts right this second. Then we're going to talk about fake crypto wallets that are targeting Apple phones and Androids using things like MetaMask and Coinbase, making it look like it's Coinbase and MetaMask, what's not. So fake wallets, we're going to kind of cover that. And the last thing we're going to talk about is TaskRabbit. A lot of people do the Ubers and the DoorDashes. Gas prices are so high right now. Food prices are off the charts right now. Crypto projects, crypto's down a little bit in some areas. Cardano's not. But all these different things, TaskRabbit could be something that you grab some type of task and do it. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day, own some cryptocurrency, own some projects, some drips, some passive, pistons coming up, all kinds of stuff. All right, everybody, let's head over to Cardano. Over here, Coin Market Cap, Cardano's number 7. Take a look at this, everybody. Up 28% in the last 7 days. Ding, ding, ding. Awesome news. Awesome stuff. Love seeing it. 28%. Over $1.13 it's trading at right now. Up in the last 24 hours also. But you just got to feel awesome that the coin is up this much. Clicking it. All right, it's traded for $1.13, up slightly today. Huge up in the last 24 hours. So in the last, today, now, great. But taking a look in the last 7 days, oh yeah. Hey, Mr. Postman. 88 cents, all the way up to 113. This is what we like to see. We love seeing the crypto popping. Let's go, Cardano. All right, what's some good stuff? Over here at the Cardano's Cardano's Twitter account, Cardano Community, a decentralized blockchain based on peer review, research, and highly secure. Jump on in, get involved, be part of it. So lots of stuff going on with Cardano over here. Hey, Cardano Community, come support us during our first ever Twitter space. Set a reminder and join us to discuss plastic waste and Cardano use cases for addressing it. So there's some good stuff right here. That's on March 31st. So nice thing that they're doing for the actual community. Over at the website, Cardano, making the world work better for all of us. It says Cardano is a blockchain platform for change makers, innovators, and visionaries with tools and technologies required to create possibilities for many, as well as the few, and bring about positive global change. So we haven't done a Cardano video in probably 2 months, so this is definitely needed. Our world is changing. Together we can change it for the better. So Cardano is a proof of stake blockchain platform, the first to be founded on a peer review research and developed through evidence-based methods. It has combined pioneer technology to provide unparalleled security. With a lending team of engineers, Cardano exists to redistribute power for an unaccountable structure to the margin. To individuals, an enabling force of positive change and progress. History of impossible made possible. All right, go Cardano. Cardano is a proof of stake, the most environmental sustainable blockchain protocol. Define your possibility to change the world. Discover Cardano. So just super, super awesome stuff going on here. Wanted to do a little deep dive over here. So Coinbase assets, more, this is again on their Twitter account, more staking. We have officially expanded our staking offering to include ADA so you can begin earning rewards on crypto. Read more. So with that, here's the reading more. Coinbase expands staking offerings including Cardano. At Coinbase, we are focused on offering more ways for customers to earn crypto rewards. Today, we are expanded our staking offering to include Cardano, with the plans to continue to scale our staking platform portfolio for 2022. Cardano is one of the top 10 most valuable cryptos by market cap. It's a proof-of-stake blockchain designed to be the next generation evolution of Ethereum, with blockchain that seeks to be more flexible, sustainable, and scalable. Cardano aims to enable smart contracts to allow developers to build a wide range of decentralized finance, DeFi apps, new crypto tokens, games, and more. When users stake their crypto, they make an underlying blockchain of the asset more secure, and in exchange, they are rewarded with additional assets from the network, which are paid out as rewards. While it is possible for individuals to stake Cardano on their own or via delegating staking services, the process can be confusing and complicated. With today's launch, Coinbase is offering an easy, secure way for any retailer user to actively participate in Cardano network and earn rewards. Ding, ding, ding. This is big. So here's a couple tips. You can begin earning rewards on your crypto. The current estimated annual return for Cardano staking on Coinbase is 3.75% APY. Once your initial holding period is 20 to 25 days, you'll receive a reward in your account every 5 to 7 days. Boom! So wait the 20 to 25 days, and every 5 to 7 days, you got some staking money going in for staking your Cardano. Your Cardano stays in your account. You just earn rewards by keeping your crypto safe on Coinbase. You can opt out at any time you want. Cardano Network sets an underlying return rate depending on the number of staking participants. Coinbase distributes the returns to customers, less a commission. All right, this is gigantic. You can stake your Cardano on Coinbase. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Cardano's jumping off the chart right now. Coinbase is allowing you to stake it so you can actually make money by staking your Cardano on Coinbase. That's freaking gigantic. Coinbase was the one that had the QR code going around for the Super Bowl, in case you don't know. All right, let's go ahead and talk about fake crypto wallets. Fake crypto wallets, people are trying to get you, so let's make sure they don't get you. Let's go to this article. All right, fake crypto wallets target iOS, Android users, mimic Coinbase, MetaMask, and more. Some fake crypto wallet apps are targeting Apple and iOS and Android consumers. These malicious applications are alarming since they copy the popular digital currency app with blockchain investors across the globe. Yeah, be careful, everybody. This illustration shows the Coinbase logo on a smartphone in Los Angeles, April 13, 2021. The cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase on the NASDAQ is one of the most anticipated events of the year. Wall Street, when enthusiasm for record-breaking Bitcoin is in a full swing despite questions about the sustainability of the market. ESET, an internet security forum, is the first one to discover availability of the Malice crypto wallets on Androids and iOS smartphones. Crypto security company said the fake crypto wallets were identified back in May of 2021 when ESET identified the presence of these malicious applications. It was believed that only one hacking group was behind the massive scam. Fake crypto wallets apps target iOS and Android users. The new Discovery Malice mobile apps are impersonating Coinbase, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and just to name a few. So you got to be careful, everybody. Bitcoin website is shown as a computer. This is not the first time the crypto wallet apps has been copied by hackers and the online attackers. The Trend Micro previously reported that hundreds of fake crypto wallets applications stole around $4.3 million worth of digital coins. So everybody, you got to be careful. But be careful when it comes to these fake crypto wallets. All right. Just be careful. Make sure you're downloading the right crypto wallet and everything else. It is kind of sad that it's going to be, Coinbase or MetaMask, things you're used to using. All right, last thing we're going to talk about. Inflation is going up. Gas is going up. Food prices are going up. Everything's going up. Crypto's going down in some areas. Node projects. All these different things. So you got to have a side hustle. You got to have something that you can do that can literally help you to generate, $100 to $500 extra a week to $1,000 to $5,000 extra a week, depending on your hustle, depending on what you can do. All the information is for educational purposes only on this channel. Let's head over to TaskRabbit. This is like an Uber or a DoorDash. It's a little thing you can do to make side money while the gas prices are killing us. Here we are, everybody. TaskRabbit. Your house deserves better. So it says popular projects in your area. I'm just going to kind of scan this and show you this. Look at assemble a table or a desk. Average project pays between $52 to $125. You mount a TV or a mirror. The average project charges between $58 to $117. Move boxes via truck. You probably have to have a truck on this one. But a lot of people have trucks or SUVs. Average job is going to pay $58 to $135. Now imagine if that job took 2 hours and you lined up 2 or 3 jobs on a Saturday or Sunday. You can see easily. Again, the article I was reading, the college guy was making $130 a day on every one of his shifts. Then all of a sudden he got out of college. He went full time with TaskRabbit. Really being a 1099, being your own business, but started taking more gigs because he had more time. He wasn't in college. 10 to 14,000 a month he was making right from this website. So that's where bringing it to you from Frank's Crypto Corner, TaskRabbit. They're not paying me to do this or anything like that. I'm just bringing these out. Clean bathrooms and kitchens, $63 to $150. Plant flowers. I mean, come on. Some of you ladies out there or people that just love the way plants smell. They smell nice when you're doing it. You'd go do this just for fun. You can actually get paid $54 to $144 to do some planting of some flowers. Lift furniture upstairs up to $104. Office/home delivery, $22 to $60. Fix a running toilet, $61 to $132. So that's pretty good there. Now look what this says. Everyday life made easy. Now let's blow this up so you guys can see it. When life gets busy, you don't have time. You don't have to tackle it alone. Get your time back with what you love to do without breaking the bank. Choose your tasker by review, skills, and price. Schedule when it works for you, and as today. Chat, pay, tip on one platform. So that's kind of neat here. Here's Joanne. She's been tasking since 2015. She's on here. Go ahead, Joanne. That's awesome. We got some reviews down here. A go-to team at your fingertips. Build your team local background checks. Compare task reviews. So this is for the consumer who's actually picking it to make sure, basically that the people are stand-up people. Here's your cities where you can go. So yeah, just bring in this, get more done, go on the go. TaskRabbit. You can literally do this for some side hustles. You can figure out, get ready to get started, sign up today, become a tasker right at the bottom of the page. Hire a painter, handyman. So here's some of the things. Closet, putting together closets, IKEA furniture assembly, laundry service, delivery services, yard cleanup removal. Tons and tons and tons. Again, this is brought to you because I did an article and the tasker was in college and he was making about $110 to $130 a day when he wasn't in college, making pretty good side money. He was hanging TVs and mounting mirrors and stuff like that. Got out of college and decided, he got out of college and he was going to pursue his career, but, there's always a little bit of time in between there. Went full-time TaskRabbit, 10 to 13, 14,000 a month later, loving the TaskRabbit, still doing the mirrors and the TV set. So gas prices are tough. Food prices are tough. A lot of things are going tough. Put that TaskRabbit in your game of, on your radar, maybe do it. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Let's go back over to Cardano, do a little price prediction. This coin is crazy up right now. All right, so again, over here, Cardano is available on Coinbase for staking, so that's fantastic. Over at their website, there's just tons of going on the Cardano's website. Definitely check it out. You got your individuals, your enterprise, Discover Cardano, The Journey, fantastic website. Going back over here, this coin is up a lot right this second. It was at 80, what was it at? 80 cents. It was at 91 cents. Now it's at 113. What is our price prediction? Well, first of all, isn't this fantastic that we see some green on the board? I love the green. Cardano's up 28% right now. I would say that the 113, I think it could go to 115 to 116. Keep an eye on it. All our information is for educational purposes only. But this thing has popped a lot, 28%. So Cardano, number 7, looking good. While we're here, Ethereum is up 10%, 3177. Bitcoin is at 44,000. Like and seeing that, up to 8%. Love seeing some green here on the coin market cap. All right, thanks for tuning in today. Cardano, what's going on? Watch out for those fake wallets. TaskRabbit could come in handy, helping you make a few extra dollars on your side hustle or your side crypto project. All right, don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video, and click over here so you can learn about Splash Network, 365% of your investment for 6 months, 2% a day, all kinds of good stuff. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you a little bit later on today.